Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making Ben's Cookies inspired milk chocolate cookies. Start off with 300 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of plain flour, and half a teaspoon of salt. And make sure you've preheated your oven to 180 degrees. Add those three ingredients into a bowl, mix well, and then keep that aside. You will then need 170 grams of unsalted butter, 200 grams of soft brown sugar, and 100 grams of caster sugar. Melt the butter in the microwave in 30-second bursts so that it doesn't burn. Then put that into a larger bowl, along with the brown sugar, the caster sugar, and also 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And whisk those together. And once the mixture is completely cool, crack in 2 eggs and whisk them in. It should look something like this. Next, tip the butter mixture into the flour mixture. And then I'm taking my KitchenAid with the dough hook attachment and combining everything together. You can do this by hand as well. And make sure to scrape down the sides as well, so that everything's combined properly. And it should look like this. Then divide the dough into balls, these should make about 12, and flatten them on a lined baking tray. And I added some milk chocolate pieces on top. Also make sure each section of dough is spread out quite well on the baking tray because the cookies will grow quite a lot in size. So I've baked them 6 at a time. Then bake them in the oven for about 7 to 8 minutes until they come out looking something like this. Make sure you wait for them to cool. And there it is, guys. These really do taste like Ben's cookies, so if you're a fan, I definitely recommend making these. And they should be nice and soft. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye!